Good morning or good afternoon. I'm Kimberly Tannenbaum with Recipes for Success with partnership with the beautiful High Point Library. And today we're cooking up the harvest. Now it is summertime and the gardens are putting out produce like crazy and it's just an embarrassment of riches. But it's just far too hot to cook. Turn down the oven, oh my goodness, it's just terrible. At least I hate it. So this is the time of year where we can really luxuriate in salads. Now I'm not normally a big salad person, but in summertime, when the heat's up, I don't have a lot of appetite. So I like salads that can be a main dish or just do well as a side dish. And today we're going to make a Mediterranean chopped salad. Now we're starting with chopped romaine lettuce, and everything is chopped. The beauty of this is everything is cut very fine. So I've got romaine lettuce, I've got some fresh out of the gardens, vine ripe tomatoes, I've got some wonderful, really fresh cucumber, put that in, got some very nice celery, chopped fine, a little bit of green and white onion, not too much. We don't want to overpower anything. Some beautiful red bell pepper, and I've added a few seeds. I like the seeds for the texture. And finally, you can use Garbonzo beans if you like, but I love roasted pine nuts. They're a little expensive, but if you toast them, which you can do just on a skillet on the oven, just give them a minute or two on high heat, shaking and stirring them. You get so much flavor out of just a couple of tablespoons of it. We add that to it. And now the trick to this are the herbs. Fresh dill, fresh basil, and the recipe calls for cilantro. Here's the funny thing about cilantro. Some people love the taste. I don't know what it tastes like to them because I'm one of I think it's 10% to 20% of the population. The cilantro tastes like soap. My kids keep telling me it's all in my head, but I'm telling you, I can't eat anything with cilantro in it. It just doesn't taste good to me. It tastes like someone's played a really mean joke on me. And so if you're one of those people, that's okay. Try using a little bit of fresh mint in the salad. It makes it so refreshing. So what I'm just going to do is just take the stems off everything, the mint, and now you can chop it up with scissors if you have kitchen scissors handy, which I don't, or you can just lay into it with a kitchen cleaver. And that's what I'm going to do right here. Just chop it up as fine as you can get it. You want to be careful not to chop your fingers because fingers do not make a good additive to salads. I've tried it, it doesn't work. Just trust me on this. This is a mistake you don't have to make because I've already made it. It's always nice to learn from other people's mistakes. Just chopping it and trying to get it as fine as possible. We're going to add these beautiful luscious greens to the top of our salad. And now we're going to add a bit of avocado, because after all, what's Mediterranean food without a little bit of avocado, right? Now if you've never, well, that didn't turn out as tidy as I like, but that's okay, it'll still taste fine. Just dice it while it's still cut up, and are still in the hole. Now the hole is protecting my hand from the point of the knife. You know, I don't really recommend most people doing this unless you really, really know what you're doing. But once you've got that, you can take a spoon and just scoop this right into your salad. Now, I always like to put my avocado in last, and you know why? It turns brown. It turns brown very quickly. So, we add that. Now I've gone ahead and made up my dressing in advance. And all this is a little bit of olive oil, good quality olive oil, extra virgin, red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, and some Italian seasonings. Now these are dried Italian seasonings. So I'm going to sprinkle on a little feta cheese. And then I'm going to pour my dressing over it all. Some dressings are attractive, this one isn't. And then we're going to give it a quick and easy toss. What a beautiful, colorful salad this is. Doesn't it just look gorgeous? And then, now you can wrap it up in a pita bread, which is how my husband likes it and my son. Or if you're trying to watch your weight, like my daughter and I should be doing, we're just going to pour it into romaine leaves. Now this is great. Again, grill up some fish and it's delightful. Or you can baked chicken is fine, but any way you want to serve this, but it's got a fair amount of protein in it, so it makes a lovely dish all on its own. Just to give it a taste. Really, really good. I love all the crunch. I love the smoothness of the avocado with the crunch of the celery, the bite of the peppers. This is a salad you can't go wrong with. Give it a try. Let me know how you like it. See you next time.